Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come with a new tutorial for you. So as you can see, and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to draw a beautiful house plan with this site plan, and the plan will be as per Vastu because Vastu is very much of important if you are going to construct any kind of residential type of building plan in your AutoCAD. So first of all what you need to do means see, first of all, in my previous lectures you all are well known that I am just going to hide this ribbon bar because I need I need the work of full window. So what I need to do, you can see my cursor, right? So here this is clean screen, so just go and click on this clean screen. You can see my ribbon bar will hide. So if you want to reappear of your ribbon bar, you again go to do this, and or else you can type ribbon from your keyboard. So now let's start this tutorial. So you can see in this site plan I need to draw a beautiful house plan as per Vastu. So you can see this is my site plan and having the plot size of 32 feet by 64 feet of its width, right? And it is east facing with a single road. So it is not a corner plot, it is a single road. So so the same thing I need to draw over here. So I need to draw a plan of it. So what I need to do, just go for rectangle command from your keyboard. Just go and type REC from your keyboard and just click on it. Now what you need to do, just go and drag, just simply drag your mouse, do not click anything. Now what you need to do, just give the input of 32 feet comma and 64 feet of its length. So what you need to do means, after that what it becomes, see, this is my plot, right? This is the same my site plan as per my plot. So this is my plot. So what I need to do, I need to see it's a east facing plot, and it's a road is there. So only single road is there. What I need to do, I need to leave a setback of 5 feet or else 6 feet, offset of 6 feet of setback. Okay, so here you can see, so it is my, this is my polyline. So you need to explode it. Just go for X command from your keyboard and just enter it. Now it has been exploded, right? So you all should know all the commands before starting this tutorial. And if you are not if you do not know the commands, go to description box, and from there you can get my all tutorials and you can learn from there. So now go for offset of 6 feet of setback from front. So I have been setback of front 6 feet. Now what I need to do here, I need to draw one again rectangle REC from my keyboard, and here I need to drag it from there because I need its offset of 9 inch. So why I have did here 9 inch of offset, because the wall, exterior wall thickness is 9 inches. 9 inches means it's a two brick walls. Okay, so after that, and you know, this plan will be as per Vastu, right? So consider all the Vastu concepts. So I'm going to tell you in this plan what's my Vastu guidelines. So here this is east face, right? This plot is east facing, and here you can see this is my navigation. So navigation in the sense, it is my compass, you can say. So here everything is there. So this is my east facing. If my east face will be there, then this will be my south, means this will be my south, right? So see, if I turn it here, if I drag this east to here, it will be south, right? It will be the south, and this is the east, south, north and west. So I'm going to, and this is three blocks, means this front is open, and which I have been left 6 feet of setback, and after this three phase means three sides are blocked by other houses and other plots. So what I need to do, I need to leave before, actually what I did here, I just here gave the exterior wall. So I want to leave some space from this side just because of ventilations and windows. So after that what I need to do, just I'm going to select, and again I'm going to explode it because I need to leave some spaces from south direction also, like 5 feet I'm going to leave it. So from south I have left, from this I need to delete it because you know, because this should be open, this will be, after this some other property is there. So after that here go for offset of 9 inches. From here it will be 2 inches wall, means sorry, 2 brick wall, offset of 9 inches. See, here it is. Now after that I need in this, okay, so what would be its, see, why I have done this here means, here you can see, here what I can do, here I can place the windows, ventilations, everything I can place, because that's the reason I have been left here some 5 feet of distance. Okay, so this is my vastu cone, means vastu means agni cone. Southeast corner is for kitchen room. Okay, so just going to 10 feet by 10 feet for kitchen, from this and from this, up and down means up and side. Again go for internal wall should be one brick wall, so it is 4.5 inches. Just go for this like this. Now what I need to do here, this is, once you measure di and measure what distance is left, so here it is 25 feet 6 inches, right? So here what I need to do, I'm just going to leave from my back setback also, means back, from back I'm just going to leave 5 feet from back also. So what it would be, see, here I have been left for 5 feet and this is my 4.5 feet means inches of wall. So after this I'm just going to trim it. After trimming it, this also I need to trim it. I have been trimmed it, delete it. Now go to draw one line, because I need center line, because I need to draw two rooms, means here I have been drawn a single line. And now go for L command. Now you can see middle portion I have got. Now your ortho should off. So you all are well known about commands, right? Ortho, where should I use ortho and everything. So here I have been drag it from this point. Okay, now go to offset of 2.2 inches from both the sides, so 2.25 inches and 25 here. If you add this 2.2 from both sides, it will be single brick wall, right? Now delete it. After that what I need to do, again I need to go for extend command, and I will extend it, ex double enter. After extending, see, now I need to measure what is the room length. So room width would be of 12 feet 6 hole 3 by 4, right? So what I need to go to do, offset of 12 feet. So I need to have offset of 12 feet from here, and again this, see, I have done it. So this plan is as per vastu. Okay, how? Because see, here I have been kept kitchen room as per vastu southeast corner. So this is the place for what, this is the place for kitchen room. Here see, so after that this is my 15 feet something inches, right? So here after that I need to place my, what is that called, stair. So stair guidelines is as per vastu is two option. One option is west wall or else south wall. So here my south wall is this one you can see my cursor, and west wall is this one. So here I need to place my stair would be this side, right? Or else this is also my west, sorry, south. So here I need to keep my stair, so like this to this direction, or else I can keep my stair like this also. So in this I'm going to keep my stairs like this, offset of 7 feet. If I do my 7 feet, now see how much it will be left out. So it will be the left of only 8 feet. So what I need to do, this is my 10 feet, right? So I'm just going to decrease it, so by 2 feet here and here. See, I have been deleted it. After that I will go with this offset of 7 feet. So 7 feet from this, and again 4.5 5 inch from this. So now it will be my porch like portico. My parking will be from this direction, isn't it? My parking will be this direction. So now my stair, so my next stair will be of west. So I have been drawn one line over here. Go for offset of 3 feet. See, I am drawing now. After that, 10 inch of its tread, offset of 10 inch tread. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, sorry, 8 almost. But here what I need to tell you, it should be, it should be 20 steps. It should be of 20 steps in your stair. Now just go to the middle, just select it. Now go for offset of 6 inches from both the sides, this side and this side. Now select it, now delete it, now go for trim it. Now just trim it. See, it has been trimmed, right? After that, go for line command. So always mind, as per Vastu says that a stair should always be clockwise direction. It should not be a anti-clockwise direction. So if we go like this, it will be a anti-clockwise. If we go like this, it will be a clockwise, means clockwise. So here it is clockwise direction. So mind, always stair should be in clockwise direction because its railing should comes under your right hand. So right hand is forceful. That's why Vastu says that your stair should be like this. See, this is my porch, my portico, you can say. Now I'm going to trim this. See, I need to join extend ex double enter. After that, I have been joined it. Now my entry will be from this. After that, this is my kitchen, right? So this is my kitchen. So my dining should be almost like this only, right? So here, what I need to do, go for offset of how much, 6 feet. From 6 feet would be quite, no, it's a perfect from both the directions. See, this will be my attached toilet and bath. So 4.5 inches from here, also 4.5 inches. After that, go for trim. This should be trimmed, this should be trimmed. Now this should be deleted, this should be, this both should be deleted like this. See, it has been deleted, right? After that, just go for trim command, just trim it this, and just extend it, just extend it. These both should be extended, right? Just go for trim, just trim it like this. Now what I need to do, now I need to give some door so that I can go outside also. This is my gallery, rear gallery. Go for offset of 6 inches from both the sides. Now I can place 2.5 feet of door from both the sides. After that, just go for trim command, just go and trim it, both this, like this you need to trim. Do not make hurry, just pleasantly, and make the plan as per Vastu, because Vastu is much more important. Now here you can see I need to place window in this. So before placing, I need to look for middle point. So before middle point, I need to draw a line. Same here, offset of 1.5 feet from both the sides. See, 1.5 feet. Here also, again escape it, just go for line. Here draw line here to here. Then after drawing line, you can get the middle point, drag it up to here, offset of 1.5 feet. Now just drag it like this, just drag it like this. After that, just from middle, just draw a line, simply draw a line. Now go for here also, draw a line. This will be my window, right? So you all do like this. Go for 2 inches of, sorry, 2 inches, because this is internal wall, right? It's not a external. So 1 inch, it's window, 1 inch window. Here also 1 inch window, here also 1 inch window, here also 1 inch window. Now after that just go for selection of it, here also go for selection of it and just delete it from your keyboard. So now what I need to do, just go for offset of 6 inches from both the sides, from both, because this both is toilet bath. Now go for 2.5 feet of door, 2.5 feet of door. After that go for escape, double enter, trim, double enter, just go for trimming it, just trim it. So after that what I need to do, just go for trim it. See, I have done with the trim. See, because these are my doors, so here you can place your ventilations also. This direction will be of your ventilation. This plan is completely as per Vastu, you can check it out. See, here I get the middle point here, here also you can get the middle point. Just join this two middle point, offset of 9 inches from both the sides, because see, this is my ventilations of toilet and bath. Here also, after that just go for line command, middle, take it its middle. Here also again go to this middle of offset of 1 inches from both the sides. Here also the same thing you need to do. After that what you need to do, just go for trim it like this, as we did in Windows. Just go and trim it, this delete. After that what you need to do, see, these extra lines are there, right? So just go for trim these extra lines like this, like this. After that just select it like this and just select it like this and just delete this. See, we have been deleted these lines. Okay, these extra lines we do not want, so we need to delete it. See, we have been deleted. Now our kitchen is prepared, this stair, this porch and these two bedrooms. After that what I need to do, just go for dining drawings. So go for 10 feet, so just go for 10 feet or 10 feet or 12 feet of this. After that just go for 4.5 inches. See, this is my dining room, right? So my dining room is there. Now what I need to do, and this is my foyer area. Foyer area means this living sit out, you can say this is my sit out. So I need one more room. So one more room means this is my south and this is my southwest, right? So here, before I need to go to do the room, see, now again I need one single room, so go for offset of 12 feet from this to this, and now again go for 4.5 inches of wall of single, okay, single brick wall. So now trim this. After that what I need to do, here I need its toilet also, right? Toilet and bath. So what I need to do, just go for this and offset of 6 feet from here. Now just go for 4.5 inches. Now just go for extend command here. After that just go for trim it, this should be open like this. And after that what I need to do, here, this is my dining, right? So center I need to open it. Center, what I need to do, it's open, so I need to have a single line. So after drawing this line I can get the center line. After center line I need to make it its open of 2.5 from both the sides, means 5 feet of openings of my dining. So after that just go for trim it. After trimming this like this, so here one of my 1 feet of, this is also my single room, right? So it is of 3 feet. After that trim it. After trimming this, what I need to do, here just go for it. Here also just do it like this. See, my everything is almost done. Offset of 6 inches. If you need store, so I'm going to tell you how to do this also. So now what you need to go, just go for trim it, just trim this. After trimming this, see, this is my door of this, and here I will place my ventilation for it. So here would be my place of ventilations. And what I need to do here also, I need to place the door of my bedrooms offset of master bedroom. So offset of 6 inches from both the sides, here you can see. And after that, 3 feet of door width in the same way here also. Now trim it. After trimming of this is a simple kind of plan. No need to worry that it's a very simple. No need to worry. See, this is my door also I have been drawn over here. After, what I need to do means, I need to make an opening over here also, because this is not my, here I need to have my center line. Skip it, just go for its middle one, go for offset of 2 feet of door from both the sides. Understand? So after that, just go for trim it. After trimming this like this, see, almost my work has been done. Now what I need to do, just match your site plan. So bring it over here and just drag it of ortho should off. So if I have been drawn here, so see, this is my plan like this. Now just go for selection of your site plan, copy it here, just make it as a m dot room. Okay, and just selection of it, just go for right click, just go for quick properties, and here it is paper text height is how much, 1 inch. So make it as a 0.8 inch. See, it's little bit smaller, right? Just go for copy of it, it's still larger, so just make it quick properties, right click, then just go for 0.6 inches. Now see, it's again 0.4 inches. Yeah, it's perfect. So it's quite more, 0.28 inches would be good, right? So now go for copy of it. After copying this, here your master bedroom, but this is your normal bedroom, it's not a master bedroom. So edit it. How to do this, just go for bedroom, bed space, see, it's like that. After that, what you need to do here, this is my copy, and this is my dining, this is my living, and this is my kitchen, this is my portico, right? So here what I need to do, here set of 6, offset of 4 feet from here. Now just trim it. You don't get confused, I have just to edit this text, that's why I have been written over here bedroom. I need to edit it, don't worry that these all are bedrooms. So here it is my porch or portico, you can say portico. After that, just click it over here. Now change this also, this is my foyer area, or you can say this is my hall or living room, living or drawing room, living room, right? After that, just select it, just little bit drag. If you drag this like this, now this is your bedroom. This is your bedroom is not there, this is your dining room. So just make it, yeah, dining room is quite larger because of your strength. Okay, so this is your kitchen room, not nothing else. So what you need to do, just write your kitchen like this, KITCHEN, right? Just like this. Now make a platform of kitchen. Okay, so how you make the kitchen platform, so just go for offset of 2 feet. So from this, so if you want to make its open kitchen, it looks quite good. So see, I'm just going to make its open kitchen. So how I can do, so here by just trimming this and this, so here also I need to trim it. So I have been trimmed. So this is my open kitchen, right? So after that, here dining, living, this is my not bedroom, this is my drawing room. So I just make it as a DRA, drawing room, DRAWING, drawing room, right? See, this is my all work has been almost done, but all work has been, see, so now my almost work has been done. So toilet is still pending. Then what I need to do, just I need to edit this like bath plus toilet or bath plus toilet. Just go input from your keyboard, right? So after that, just go for selection of it, just go for copy it. Now just select it, like select it. Now just go for right click and just go for quick properties and just make it as a 1.2 inches. See, it has been smaller, right? After that selection of it, so just go for this. Now just this, now go for copy of it. After copying it, just go for the same thing here also. So after that, here also you can place your bathroom. So here you can make your WC also, no issue. Here you can see, you can make your WC, that will be water closest. Now here my almost work has been done, but little more, little bit here some texturing, means texturing in the sense hatching is required, right? So just go for your ribbon, RIBBON ribbon, click it. Here your ribbon bar has been appeared. Just go for the hatch. After going to the hatch, what you need to do, just clicking of this, every it looks little bit more clear. So you can see I haven't mentioned anywhere dimensions. So I can do these dimensions also. Here your lawn, this portion is your backyard, back lawn. Okay, so right like this you can do your hatching everywhere, and wherever the windows, wherever the ventilations required, you can do this manually, you can do, right? Just go for simply, don't be hurry. So you can do it like this. So your plan looks quite good, and that will be very attractive to your clients, or to your, it will increase your walking skills as well as your practicing power. So this, see this, I haven't mentioned anywhere my dimensions, right? So here one example I will show it to you. So don't worry at all. Okay, so simply I'm just doing this by showing you also. You guys will also do like this. Here this portion will be your of, what is that called, windows, and like this your portico, like car parking, you can say simply. Here it is, it has been almost done. Now go for escape, right? If you do escape, see your plan looks like this. After that, just go here, you can see dimensions beside right side. Here you just click it. Here you can show your dimensions, see how much it is, like this it comes, right? Just simply you can go, what's the size of your bedrooms and everything, you can show it like this. So if you want to minimize it, just go for select it, just go for the quick properties. See here it is not, so go for dim style, D enter. Just go for modify panel, just click it, just go for text, just make it text height as a 8 inches from your keyboard, and just go for click it, just go for set current and just close it. See, it has been quite smaller, right? So like this you can show to your dimensions in this plan. So I hope you all have been loved this tutorial. So if you really love this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you so much.